Take 3, just covering the in hairspray here, covering the helicopter. Hopefully you can see a
okay, great.
bit of a kaboom this time. There she goes. Look at this, go boom!
Right, okay.
We have got things on fire here.
Right.
That's melting. The balloon's actually melting.
Can we turn it off now, please? It's burning holes in my floor.
I think that was successful overall. We're going to go try and find the helicopter now.
As I said, the battery compartment's clean off it.
So let's have a quick look.
I think
It may be dead.
I think it's dead.
It may be dead this time. I don't know
Right, shall we go? Have a go.
No.
though. It is dead.
Try and fix it. That was a successful operation.